Good day and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fix this error on your machine, on your direct drive industrial machine. That's error number 5. So whenever there's an error in the machine, it shows that something is wrong with it and it cannot be able to operate or work properly even when you match the clutch motor. So right now the error is simple. You have to check the back of the machine. So right now at the back here, you notice that this is the power cable and this is the light cable. So it's possible that it's just hanging and it's not properly connected. So first and foremost, you have to fix it and make sure you hear a lock sound. When it has properly locked, which is this clip has already clipped on it, then you cover it back. Then you can go ahead to check your machine and you see that the error has been fixed automatically. So that is just it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.